Hey y'all, Dr. Sudduth here today to talk about fungi. Right now I'm just in my backyard. I picked up some sticks off the ground, and what you're seeing are lichens on these dead sticks, and you can see there are lots of different textures. Like this one's very wavy, and this one is a lot flatter looking, different colors. These are a lot whiter, except that one that's very bright blue there in the middle. Here's a really pretty one that almost looks plant-like or something. It's really tufty sticking up off the tree. And then here's some orange ones just for a different color. So without even leaving my yard, I was able to see several different sizes and shapes and textures of lichens. Here's another great example of lichens here growing on the side of a tree. Trees in parking lots are always great places to look for lichens. They really like having the wood to grow on, but also having the sunshine. And remember what you're seeing when you see lichens. You're seeing the combination of the fungus and the green algae or cyanobacteria that it grows along with in the mutualism. And so that shape and texture that you see is due to the combination of those two species, and any other combination of two species is going to give you a different shape, a different texture, a different color. As we talked about in class, fungi are really important ecologically in decomposing wood, and here you can see this dead log, and it's just covered with these little fruiting bodies of the fungi that are decomposing it. And you can see there are so many of them along here. So that's a great place to look for fruiting bodies. You can find a dead tree. You'll see different kinds of things growing on it. And of course that fruiting body represents the mycelium inside the tree as well. And if we zoom in here, this tree got split open, and you can see there's some nice mycelium, some nice fuzzy white stuff there in the middle. Another dead tree with another assortment of fruiting bodies on it. Lots of different shapes and sizes and colors. And this big tree is also dead, and you can see it's actually got things growing on the sides of it, even though it hasn't fallen down yet. In the fall, a place like the base of this old dead tree would be a great place to find mushrooms that would be the fruiting bodies of the mycorrhizae that live on this tree, but they tend to only have fruiting bodies in the fall, so we can't see any right now. So hopefully that gives you a good start for looking for fungi in the world around you. You can find lichens on sticks and on the ground and on rocks and on the side of trees. To find a mycelium, you want to look for dead wood and either roll over a dead log or actually look inside a dead log. To find fruiting bodies, certainly look on dead wood. You can also look around the stumps of trees. And at the right time of year, you can find them almost anywhere on the ground. See you next week when we talk about animals.